Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money on Kucoin. Open an account, verify identity, and enable 2FA immediately for security. Fund your account with a modest amount to practice trading and learn fees. Explore basic spot trades first to understand order types, then study market depth and charts. Keep a trading journal to track wins and losses and adjust strategy based on real results. In this video, I will show how to make money on Kucoin. Focus on clear trading rules like entry, exit, and risk per trade. Use limit orders when possible to control price and avoid impulsive market orders. Try dollar cost averaging for volatile coins to smooth buy price. Keep risk per trade consistent and use stop losses to prevent large drawdowns while you build skill and confidence. In this video, I will show how to make money on Kucoin. Learn advanced features like futures, margin, staking, and earn slowly and with clear risk plans. Study funding rates, leverage effects, and liquidation mechanics before using margin. Allocate a small, separate portion of capital to test advanced tools and keep detailed notes on performance. Use passive products for surplus funds and active trading for skill development and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.